Imagine a world where every app icon on your Android device can seamlessly blend into your home screen's aesthetic. Sounds appealing, right? But here's where it gets controversial. Google is about to enforce a significant change that will require developers to comply with its new themed icons feature, leaving them with little choice in the matter. In a nutshell, Google is making it mandatory for all apps to support themed icons by automatically generating these icons for those that don't already provide one. This move aims to tackle the issue of inconsistent home screens, which often occur because many developers opt out of offering themed icons for various reasons, including branding and design preferences. To implement this change, Google has updated its Play Store policy, mandating that developers legally allow users to modify the color of their app icons. Currently, app icons tend to look quite different from one another, unless they are created by the same designer or company. While this variety makes it easy to identify apps, it can also lead to a cluttered appearance on users' home screens. To address this, Google introduced the Themed Icons feature in Android 13, which enables users to adjust app icon colors to align with their system theme. However, participation in this feature has been optional, and many developers have chosen not to engage for several reasons. For instance, when all app icons share a similar color scheme, it can diminish the visibility of individual apps. Additionally, some icons, especially those for games, feature intricate designs that do not translate well into a single color format. Moreover, many companies believe that preserving their original icon design is crucial for maintaining brand identity, as their logos appear unchanged in other contexts. Consequently, users who activate the Themed Icons feature often find themselves facing a mix of themed and unthemed icons on their home screens, which can be visually jarring. However, with the recent release of Android 16 QPR2 Beta 1, Google has announced that it will automatically create themed icons for apps that lack them. According to Google, if a user activates the Themed Icons feature in this new version, the system will apply a color filtering algorithm to the existing launcher icon, rendering it in a monochrome style that harmonizes with the user's selected theme. Interestingly, Google's announcement did not clarify whether developers would have the option to opt out of this new requirement. It also did not address potential branding or legal concerns that could arise from altering a company's icon without permission. Fortunately, this issue has been resolved with an update to the Google Play Developer Distribution Agreement, DDA, which is the legally binding contract between developers and Google. To distribute apps on the Google Play Store, developers must agree to the DDA, which has now been revised to include a new clause stating, 5.3, you grant to the user a non-exclusive, worldwide, and perpetual license to perform, modify color of, or add themes to your product icons, display, including with the color and theme modifications, and use the product in a communication to developers. Google confirmed that this change will take effect immediately for all new accounts and will apply to existing developers starting October 15, 2025. This means that developers on the Play Store must now allow users not only to theme their icons, but also to showcase these modified icons in screenshots and recordings. While custom icon packs have enabled users to do this for years, displaying a modified brand icon often conflicted with a company's branding guidelines, potentially leading to legal challenges. With the recent amendment to the DDA, users now have the explicit right to alter the icons of apps downloaded from the Google Play Store. What do you think about this shift? Is it a step forward for user customization, or does it infringe on developers' rights? Share your thoughts in the comments below.